there, it's Megan with WTI, and would you like your afternoon snack to not only refuel, but re-energize you too? I know that some days I really need that, so I really like to pair my snacks sometimes with this Alani new energy drink in the flavor Cosmic Stardust. Now, I am not one of those really fussy people who refuses to drink out of a can, but I do like to drink this drink out of a glass because I get to enjoy its super fun pink color. I think the pink color totally vibes with the flavor of this drink, which I find to be really reminiscent of cream soda. It is really, really delicious, and it has that great sweet flavor without being overpoweringly sweet. I find it to pair really great with salty snacks like potato or tortilla chips. In addition to really enjoying the flavor of this drink, I am also totally digging the energizing properties it has. I find this Alani new energy drink flavor to be so tasty, and I also love pairing it with my favorite snacks too. And that's my point of view.